Hi guys, today I have an incredible preview of the new product of LeEco with the new form factor. Let's proceed immediately with the unboxing of the new LeEco 6500. The packing is the typical of LeEco, manually in white color with the logo printed in the center of the box. In the back we have the specific product LeEco LeEco Pro 3 All 64GB, 4GB RAM, 5.5-inch screen, connectivity 2G, 3G, 4G. The model LeEco X6500. DTS HD, Dolby Atmos, audio optimization. In the box we have the smartphone, the USB cable Type-C, USB cable Type-C to adapter to 3.5 inch, USB charger fast, the manual and the clip to open the SIM compartment. Let's see the telephone. This is the new form factor of LeEco. Change the back of the phone, the double camera, it's very beautiful. Gold coloration, the smartphone have the new version of AI. Now on the left of we have the review video. We have more option. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Just a week and I will publish the full review of this product. Subscribe to the channel, share and put me like the video. Thanks and good year.